Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you that how you can remove a text from any photo by using Adobe Photoshop. So as you can see here in my Photoshop I have opened the image. There is some text here, so I'm gonna remove this text from this image. So for removing this you have to select the tool lasso tool here. Okay, you have to select lasso tool, then you have to select the text from here. Okay, so these are the text that I want to remove from this image. After selecting the area or selecting the text, you have to go to edit. Then in edit section you will see an option called fill. You have to click on fill, then you have to make it mode normal and opacity 100%. Then you need to click on OK. Now the text is removing. As you can see, it is taking some time. So as you can see, the text has been removed. So now you have to deselect it. Now click on Ctrl D on keyboard. So if I want to remove this text from here, I'm gonna select this option, then again go to edit, then fill, then OK. Okay, now this type of text will be removed from the here. Okay, it actually depends on your computer speed. So my PC is working to removing this text from this image. So there is so much text here, so that's why it is taking so much time. So yeah, as you can see, the text has been removed. Okay, now then Control D. Okay, so now if you want to remove this logo from here, you have to select the option, then again edit, then fill, then OK. Okay, then Control D. Okay, so the all text has been removed from this image. So I hope this will help you a lot. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.